Hi, so I'm going to be talking about the 1000 AI Business Coaches Vault, and it has all the web interactive coaches on one link, and it's personalized coaching reports for your specific business in minutes. And I'm going to be sharing more about like what it is, and I'll show you a demo also. So good coaching like costs hundreds a month, and so they do the guesswork instead. And your coaches are pricey and hundreds per month, and out of reach when you are still growing. And other ChatGPT gives generic AI answers, and it's not specifically tailored to your situation. And random free advice, and if you are following different people, and they give different opinions, and none of them know your situation, and like what you should do. So the personalized coaches are like on demand, so you pick the coach for your exact challenge, or your uh, exact challenge you are facing, answer a few questions about you and not people like you, and get an instant coaching report and personalized to your answer. And every report ends with ready to paste dot prompts to go deeper. And in 4 steps, you can follow these steps and get your personalized feedback. So you pick your coach and search or filter through 1000 coaches to find your in second. Then tell about like your tell the coach about you. So your name, business, who you help, and your biggest challenge, and answer 5 to 8 questions. Mostly a multiple choice, and then you get your report, and it's personalized to you instantly. So every report has 4 parts. So your diagnosis, so what is really going on, uh, and like why, and then your strategy, the clean path forward in plain language, your action step, so specific things to you can actually do, and your next step. So this week, this month, and this quarter mapped out. Then it takes the report uh, into Claude. So you can go deeper with the diagnosis, copy it and paste it into Claude, and then you can go deeper in conversation with Claude. And and there is a coach for every problem, and for any type of niche that you have. So pricing, uh, offer, any of the things that you can think about, branding, visibility, and there is also niche coaches. So social media managers, anything that you can think about. So built, and it's built for busy people and not tech people. So works on the phone, and it has no logins and instant reports. Uh, and what this means for you is you get clarity in seconds, and no more guessing on what to work on next, and a coach whenever you need one, and advice about your situation and thinking which is done for you. And you can add also the vault and the MMR vault and the coach to action toolkit at the end. So the coach to action toolkit has the coach picker guide, the 30-day coaching plan, and report to action workbook, and 100 extra prompts. So meet your first coach in the next 5 minutes. So I'll share like how it works. So this is the starter coach, and this is one of the examples for the 1000 coaches board. So I'll just fill this and show you how it works, and like what kind of output you get. So my name, so let's say I have handmade, or say software consulting for woman owned business. So these are the questions I've filled out, and you can go in as much detail as possible, and then click next. So how long? So you can just answer this multiple choice question. So um, and so it created this report for me, and now I can, so it's did the diagnosis and then the strategy, like what to do going forward, then the action step, and we have to follow this step in the next moves, so this week, this month, and this quarter, and then we can go deeper uh, with Claude. So I can just copy this and talk with Claude, and then it will give me a plan. So I'll just take this and I'll show you how to use it in Claude. So I got the prompt from the diagnosis, and it's custom made for me, and then I just paste it here, and then Claude will give me like what to do next, and actually follow the steps that are recommended to have a positive outcome and change, like um, how to improve based on the questions I have answered. So as you can see, it's working, and give me feedback. So as you saw, uh, this is one example of the coach, and there are like 1,000 more inside, and they have different topics from uh, topic coaches and also niche coaches, and you will always almost always find and like what you need and personalized to you based on your situation. So you can get access to the 1,000 coaches what. So if you have any questions, you can comment, message me, or email me if you have any questions about this. Thank you.